Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to convert MP4 video file to MP3 audio file. How to do this? Let's start. In this video we are using any video converter for this purpose. Link of this software will provided in video description. After installing this software on your PC or laptop, go to desktop and right click on any video converter icon and open it. Any video converter simple interface will open. Now add your file by click on plus icon and go to specific folder where your video file are exist. You can select multiple file also and press open button. Your file will be loaded in any video converter. You can see your file are loaded in any video converter interface. Now select your desired file format in which you want to convert your video. Now you find here MP3 file extension. Click here and select here MP3 option. After this, click on gear icon. Setting will open. On a general tab, you can see output folder of this project. You can change this path or you can remain as it is if you want. And now click on OK button. Now you can change the quality of audio output file. Select high and now click on Convert Now button. When you click, conversion will start. Now minimize this window and go to a specific folder where your output file are stored. Go to a specific directory where your MP3 file are saved. Now click on MP3 folder and you can see here your all file are converted here. Now right click on any file and go to properties option. You can see here your file are converted to MP3. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you in next video. Goodbye.